Helo, Nerys Howell Welsh yma, yn coginio ryseitiau ond llyfr newydd, bwyd Cymru yn ei dymor. Hi, I'm Nerys Howell. I'm cooking recipes from my new book, Welsh Food by Season. Un o ddanteithion yn Nadolig, mince peis i gyda ni nesa, gyda topping macaroon. Here's a festive treat for you, macaroon topped mince pies. So we're going to start with the flour, and we're doing all this in a food processor. Rhowch 225 gram o flawd plaen ag 125 gram o fenyn yn y prosesydd. Pulse together the flour and 125 grams of unsalted butter. Ychwanegwch 50 gram o almonau mal a siwgr man. Add 50 grams of ground almonds and 50 grams of caster sugar and mix again. Ychwanegwch 1 wy ag ychydig o ddŵr. Finally add a beaten egg and a little water. Arllwyswch ar y bwrdd a chymysgwch I belen. Pour onto the work surface and bring it all together with a little flour to form a ball of pastry. Broliwch y crust yn weddol denau. Roll the pastry fairly thinly and cut into circles to fit a 12-hole baking tin. Gwasgwch y crust I bob twll. Press each circle into the holes. Cymysgwch ychydig o whisky neu alcohol arall i'r briwfwyd. Mix a little whisky or alcohol of choice into the mincemeat. Rhowch lwyad o'r briwfwyd ym mhob casyn. Fill each pastry case with the mincemeat. I wneud y macaroon, rhannwch 2 wy a chwyrliwch y gwyn wy. For the macaroon topping, separate 2 eggs and whisk the egg whites until soft peak. Then gradually mix in 75 grams of caster sugar. Plygwch 100 gram o almonau mal i'r gymysgedd. Gently fold in 100 grams of ground almonds into the meringue mixture. Rhowch lwyad mawr o'r macaroon ar ben pob mince pie. Top each mince pie with a large spoon of meringue topping. Rhowch I bobi ar res 180 Celsius 9.5 am gwarter awr. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius gas mark 5 for 15 minutes until golden. Sgeintwch ychydig o sugar icing I weini. To serve, dust lightly with a sprinkling of icing sugar.